If you are looking for the best airsoft pistol, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Elite Force SIXMM-BB Pistol Airsoft Gun. The Combat Zone Enforcer CO2 Airsoft Pistol features an excellent grip, accurate, powerful, amazing appearance, and is fun to shoot. This pistol can shoot a pinpoint accuracy at short range. The pistol has its CO2 cartridge with a very compact design handgun that can propel SIXMM airsoft BBs with power. This cheap CO2 airsoft pistols feature a white dot on the front sight. This white dot makes it easier to acquire targets fast. It can fire up to 200 rounds on a single CO2 cartridge without changing cartridges. Number 2. Firepower .45 Metal Slide Spring-Powered Airsoft Pistol. The Firepower .45 Metal Slide Airsoft Pistol is a highly affordable spring-powered airsoft pistol that can send rounds downrange at a speed of 328 feet per second. It comes installed with a metal slide, which adds a lot of weight and gives it a more realistic feel than most other low-cost, spring-powered airsoft pistols. As a spring-powered pistol, the rate of fire from the firepower is obviously very low, but it makes up for it thanks to the BAXS hop-up system that improves accuracy. This creates a backspin effect on ammo to provide longer shooting distance. Number 3. Elite Force 1911 Blowback SIXMM-BB Pistol Airsoft Gun. The Elite Force 1911 TAC Blowback Airsoft Pistol can provide a very realistic pistol weight. The frame and the slide is made from full metal. The Elite Force 1911 TAC has a great realistic feel with blowback airsoft gun action. There is an adjustable hop-up to dial in the accuracy for longer ranges. Using the adjustment, you can hit targets over 100 feet away. It is a CO2-powered airsoft pistol and one of the best CO2 airsoft pistol on the market. Number 4. Dan Wesson 2.5 CO2 BB Revolver Silver Air Pistol. The Dan Wesson Magnum is not just modeled after a Magnum revolver, but it's a Magnum airsoft gun. This 6-shooting powerhouse throws a SIXMM-BB at up to 499 FPS. It comes in a variety of different barrel lengths, and starts at 4 inches and ends at 8. This is a CO2-powered revolver that features an adjustable rear sight, full metal construction, and comes with 6 brass shells. The CO2 compartment is hidden in the ergonomic grip and easy to swap. Number 5. Umarex Glock 19X GBB Blowback SIXMM-BB Pistol Airsoft Gun. There are plenty of guns that mimic the Glock 17, but Umarex is the only company that has been granted the official license. This is because Umarex makes great guns and has made great firearms for decades. The gun features the Gen 4 rough texture for a sure grip. The slide is aluminum, and the grip frame is entirely polymer. This is a gas blowback gun that replicates recoil and slide movement. It sports a Glock accessory rail and is compatible with the real steel accessories.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.